Hey all, hope everybody are doing great, and we are very much happy and excited to inform you that we are finally a family of 100k subscribers. Ma'am, how many digits?
6 digits.
So we are a family of 6-digit number, guys. This is not a small thing. This means a lot for us, and thank you all so much for your love and support. Without your motivation and encouragement, this wouldn't have been possible so easily and so quick. So thank you so much, guys. So as I already mentioned in my 50k celebration video, we mainly started this channel just to help the students of 2021 SSLC batch. It is because of the pandemic. Many students have deprived of education, and many students have lost their confidence in cracking their examination pretty well. So we started the channel. We started filling complete NCERT syllabus, science and mathematics, in our channel. It reached pretty well. Everybody took maximum benefit out of it, and they have cracked their examination so well that most of the students have got out in science and mathematics. So that is one of our proudest moment ever we felt in our life. Even Radhika ma'am is here to share her experience. Ma'am, how do you feel when they messaged you that they got out in mathematics?
We felt very happy. We are eagerly seeing everyone's result. Almost many of you have shared your result. We got 100 out of 100 in mathematics and science. We are seeing, and which place also you have mentioned, that is the greatest gift for us. And we feel very proud of you all. Thank you, everyone.
For any teacher, this is the proudest moment ever in their life, and we don't want anything more than this. So that level of satisfaction we had when we saw your results. So we are really, really happy, guys, and congratulations to each one of you who took maximum benefit out of our channel, and you really shared our content to all your friends. Thank you so much. Not only to the state of Karnataka, it has reached to other states also, like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, Andhra, and there also students took maximum benefit out of our content. So we mainly focused NCERT textbooks, that is NCERT syllabus, so that many states follow NCERT textbooks all over the country. So definitely, the content reached pretty well, I felt. So thank you so much. See, I'm telling many times thank you, because I'm really so much excited and seriously very, very happy for you all, guys. So here we have a small celebration actually. Initially we are celebrating this occasion by lighting a lamp, because I strongly believe lighting of lamp is one of the positive thing that we do in any occasion, because it symbolizes purity, goodness, and good luck. Not only that, it is a symbol of abundance of knowledge. So I wish all your future brighten up with lots of knowledge, love, purity, prosperity, and mainly the health. So I wish everyone lots of luck, lots of good luck, and in your life, may positivity dominate over the negativity. So we are starting this occasion by lighting a lamp. So now we will light a lamp.
Let us continue this occasion by cutting a cake. Cutting a cake is a fun, right? We'd like to invite you for this cake cutting. So instead of you people, we are going to invite our kids for this occasion. Yes, welcome kids. See the cake, how beautiful it is. It's just a logo of our homeschool 100k subscribers.
So let's just cut the cake.
Happy 100k subscribers.
Okay. Now it's a time to reveal my secret. Many of you kept on asking me what is your secret. So this is the secret mainly for the students of Karnataka, mainly for the students who are studying in Kannada medium. And they kept on asking me why you don't teach in Kannada. Ma'am, ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದವರಲ್ವಾ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. But the thing is, you know, there are and many are asking me to teach in Hindi also. Ma'am, use Hindi and English so that it will benefit maximum students, right? But actually speaking, there are many channels who teach in Hindi, so I didn't prefer to teach in Hindi, and I'm not so good at talking in Hindi. So that is one reason I don't teach Hindi. I mean, I don't mix Hindi with English. There are so many channels who teach everything in Hindi, and there are a good number of channels who teach in their mother tongue. I mean, if you look at the people from Andhra, you know, we have channels, they teach in Telugu, and there are many channels who teach in Tamil, and even they do teach in Kannada also. But we didn't find any channel who teach in simple English. So we selected our medium as English here, that too very simple English, so that every single student can understand from any state. The students can understand our language. So it's a very simple and lucid English that we use for teaching. So here I'm revealing my secret that even I am not a student from English medium. I have done my schooling in Kannada medium till 7th. So ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಮಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 7th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಮಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಐ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್. ಐ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ನಾಲೆಜ್, ಗೈಸ್. ಸೊ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. I would like to tell one point in this time is, see, you have many sources now. When we were of your age, we didn't have much sources actually. We used to struggle in learning. We used to struggle in understanding the concepts. But now you have lots of sources. You know, you can use the technology to a maximum extent, but use it for the best, use it for the knowledge, and you can learn anything from anywhere, guys. So use the sources to the maximum extent to upgrade your knowledge. Ultimately, that gives you success in your life. So that's all I wanted to tell from my side. And thank you so much for your love and support. And you know, as I said, we mainly started with 10th, right? And gradually we started completing 9th syllabus, both science and mathematics, and we are trying to complete 8th as well as 7th. And recently one of the greatest decision we ever took is to start 11th syllabus. So we started with 11th. We do have few chapters and still we are doing it. You know, content filling is taking place, and you know, our colleges have been started, schools have been started. Even we got very busy with our working life. You know, we are you know, teaching professionals. We do teach in some colleges and schools. So nowadays we are not finding time to make the videos, but still we will definitely make the videos, and we will give 100% content, especially the NCERT content for classes 11 and 12. So no need to worry. And you know, you can follow your college timetable, college books, etc. Please don't 100% depend on us. Our contribution is to give concept clarity, and we definitely give concept clarity by this academic year. You know, by the time this academic year gets completed, we will fill complete 11th syllabus, and the next year we will start filling up 12th. So that gives you concept clarity. And not only that, I have started bridge course also, and we have a bridge course for class 10. I mean, if you're going for a class 10, you know, some basics are very much essential to understand the depth of a concept. So that basics I gave you for both, you know, biology, chemistry as well as physics. So you can use the bridge course, and in the future I'm coming up with many more courses, and we are planning to give notes also for you all. So still the process is going on, but definitely this will not happen all of a sudden. It will take time, and I'm not promising you that I will fill the content very early, you know, very soon, and all that, and it will take lots of time. Why? Because even we are very much busy with our college or school schedule, but we are making our best possible time to make the videos. So it will take time, and slowly we are filling up the content. But I can assure you that you can find the entire NCERT content for classes 11 and 12 also. Already we have complete content for science and mathematics for class 10. Even for class 9, some of the science content have to be filled up. I'll fill it up very early. So guys, use the content to a maximum extent, and my request is also share the content to the people whom you know, the students whom you know, because let them also get 100% benefit out of it. So guys, use the content and become successful in your life and do your examinations well, and I wish all the best for your future.
This is our favorite place where we spend most of the time to prepare and to spend with our children. You can look over this.